What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be trying out American snacks.
American snacks.
We've got a couple of things here. We've got Dr. Pepper cream soda, strawberry calypso lemonade, Mike and Ike's Willy Wonka candy bar. Which one are you most excited to try out?
Me, these in front. Mostly because I'm a sourdough and they're the closest thing that looks like sourdough.
Okay, I think I'm actually most excited to try this one out.
And you, Wyatt? Which one are you excited for? What sweeties?
Alright.
Not sure.
Yeah. He's very fussy on sweets.
A few moments later.
Mama,
Oh.
this one.
That
The
one.
Swedish fish.
Swedish fish, okay. So let's try that one out first.
Yeah, let's take this one out first.
Okay, so mommy can open it for you.
Okie dokie. Oh wow.
Those
So
are
apparently only one flavor or one color.
these 5 red ones.
Yeah.
These 5 red
Doesn't
ones,
really say
please.
anything on the box that it's
These 5
Sorry,
red
Swedish
ones.
So these are just common US snacks, popular snacks in the US that we thought we would try out. This is all our first time. And we want to give our honest review or opinion. So first up we've got the Swedish fish. Let's try that.
Only thing I don't really like about it,
I do like it
gets
so
stuck
much.
to your
You
teeth.
like it? I like it as well.
So only if you're at home, this is probably cool to eat. But if you're out in front of people, you're gonna be digging in your mouth constantly.
That's very chewy. Very sweet as well.
But it's
Yeah.
tasty. I like the taste.
And it's fat free.
Oh,
That's shocking. Considering it tastes so sugary. Let's try out one of the drinks next.
I think we should try this one.
Wait. Where's my secret?
Okay, that's fine. So this is Calypso's strawberry lemonade. Let's see. So shake well. Wait, how do you open it?
Come on, put your muscles into it. Oh,
Ooh, okay.
Let's try it out again.
Smells very strong.
Yeah, very strong. Yes. Yeah. It tastes it.
oh, doesn't smell great.
Smells like lemonade. Smell nice. Okay, let's try it.
It smells more.
Yeah.
There's pieces in it.
Not bad.
I was expecting a lot worse, to be honest.
Yeah. That
Can
is
taste
kind
the
of
lemon in
nice.
here.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's try something else next.
Oh, there's lemon juice. That's what we're smelling and tasting.
Probably.
Let's try something else next.
But that's not bad.
Okay, what do you want to try next?
Let's try this.
Like you
What's
This
that?
is Shaggy's, of course. It's so nice.
Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah.
Tropical.
Tropical.
Okay, let's try this one.
Yeah, let's try it. Of course. Ooh, there are different colors, Sugar.
Yeah, different colors.
It's
There
now.
we go.
in the shape of what?
It's supposed to be in the shape of kids.
Oh, that's dark humor. We're eating kids. Oh, maybe I should try different colors.
Let me try pink one.
Teddy. It's too
No,
sour.
you got. Hey!
It's too sour.
Taste it, Wyatt.
Okay.
It's too
It's
sour.
not.
Okay, next up, Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah.
It's not that
Tropical
sour.
flavor.
It was kind of sour.
I promise.
Supposed to look like a kid.
Try pop one.
Try it.
I like this. Got a lot of sugar also. Probably gonna have diabetes at the end
It's
of
got
this
a weird
video.
texture.
There's another sweet that has a texture.
It's like very soft and chewy.
Oh, I like this.
Only a little bit
The
sour.
purple is really nice.
I like it as well.
Let's
Just the
try
texture
some
you need to-
else next.
Get used to.
Let's try some else next, Daddy.
Okay, hold on.
Let's try this.
Mike and I.
Let's try this.
Mike and I.
So can I be honest with you? Why I've always wanted to try this sweet? Because
I
I used to
didn't
be a
try
fan
that.
of 13 Reasons Why.
and
And
I.
Because
Whenever they went to the movies.
Of course, I like it.
oh well,
Because
in
it's
any American
quiet.
movie really.
Because I like it.
Calm down, babe. Just because I'm
Ooh.
talking doesn't mean you must talk. They always have Mike and Ike's at the movie theaters, which we don't do that. And our movie theaters are mad expensive. So,
Okay.
oh, can I try a different color? Pink. So I've just always wanted to. Look at the back, it says what it is.
Oh,
Silly goose.
okay, so I had Paradise Punch and Strawberry Banana.
I had pink.
I have
Wow.
blue.
Oh. And
like
it
that.
never fails. Such a good sweet.
This is so nice.
My favorite one so far. Mike and Ike's Mega Mix.
So to be completely honest, that is always why I wanted to try Mike and Ike's.
And what you got try,
I
Daddy?
really like that one.
And I got super distracted.
What do you want to try next? Let's try one of the chips.
Let's go with Takis first.
Okay.
That is how you pronounce it, right?
Yeah. Let's see.
So fun fact, this was on Take a Lot for like a day and it got sold out immediately because everyone wanted to try this.
So this is Takis tortilla chips.
I think that's about 2 minutes.
The flavor is hot chili pepper and lime.
I can eat that one.
Okay, do you want to
And
include
it
some of the
says
pink thing?
fuego, which I believe translates to fire in Spanish.
Wait, you're gonna say in Mexican.
I was gonna say Mexican.
I'm gonna try
Okay,
that.
let's try.
Sounds so
I'm
like
gonna
Takis.
try it, yeah.
You don't want to try this one. Okay, let me try.
He usually likes strong things, I don't know.
Okay,
I
Takis
just don't like
tortilla chip.
noodles.
Let's try it.
I'm not eating this.
Okay, I'm putting a lot of faces.
It's
and
my
I
turn to
apologize.
do something.
Okay, wait, we first trying this one. And then,
So, definitely crunchy like a tortilla chip. Crunchier than a potato chip for sure. But it tastes more of like a dipping chip. So like cream cheese or some
yeah.
chip and dip.
So
sauce.
like what they do on TikTok. Probably where they put the Takis in the jalapeno with cream cheese. It's probably going to be tastier that way. On its own, I would never snack on it. It's
But
too-
off the bat,
Hey, pardon.
you taste the chili and the lime,
Yeah.
like immediately.
Yeah.
Not bad.
It actually reminds me of what we have, which is fritters, but just a lot thicker.
Stop eating the chips. Stop.
Okay.
Yes, I hope this tastes good because it looks really cool.
Sweet tart ribs. This looks interesting.
My mommy
Okay, you
did
can
it.
open this one first.
Daddy was my kid.
Okay, sorry.
Really like this lemonade as well.
Me.
Lemonade takes something. Ooh, fancy packaging. With a chocolate inside. Oh, wow! Smell this. Oh, smells like a candy store. I think that's my favorite.
What is that?
smell.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's
Smells
quite
delicious.
sticky.
Sticky.
I don't know if you just want to have one and share to bite piece, or do you want
Okay.
your own one?
Oh,
Because it's a
my
lot.
own.
Take a bite? No, too big. Teeth, baby, use your teeth.
Bite it. Okay.
Yeah, it's so
Sweet
nice.
tart ribs.
Ooh, it's actually really good. Well worth the wait.
Wow.
It's gonna be
That's
hard to
very
choose a favorite. There, Wyatt, you can have that piece.
No, I don't want to get the butter pieces again.
Can definitely taste like multiple different fruity flavors.
It's really good though.
Yeah.
I'm a fan. That
I still think I like the
I'm
Mike
not
and Ike's
fighting.
Mega Mix more.
Oh, they're all. I think we should have
Let's
like a
try
dating
something
bar
else here.
Don't want
somewhere.
that.
I was actually told
Definitely doesn't look that appealing, but I'm sure it tastes good. You're gonna try
by my cousin who actually lives in America that this is not really what Mexican candy is supposed to taste like, according to Loke.
Okay, which one? Do you want to try one? I want to try one.
I don't like this one.
I'll try this green.
I like all the other different sweets.
You guys ruin the sweets when you add this stuff to it, eh?
So, it's covered in a Mexican sauce and spice called chamoy and tajín.
Yeah, I don't like this out.
Definitely a bold contrast with the sweet, making it spicy. Sweet and spicy.
I don't feel like it's that spicy though. I just. Oh, you know what it
Wow, but
tastes
the
like?
one that I had now was really good.
You know that sweet with a pick in the middle? And I think that's why you enjoy it so much.
So we got Dr. Pepper cream soda.
Yeah, I like that.
Want to try this one?
Yeah, let's try it.
So our son's favorite drink is cream soda in general.
Yeah. I just want to
He is his father's mini-me. Oh, it's not green.
It's not green.
No.
So it's like Coke.
Well, it's cream soda flavors. I don't think the color really matters.
Oh, wow, it smells strange.
Okay,
Like cola.
let's try it.
Doesn't taste like cream soda. Y'all don't know what cream soda tastes like, Americans. This is not cream soda.
Doesn't taste like our cream soda.
Okay, but I should be nationwide.
You don't.
How do
It
you
tastes like
How do you go from living in South Africa to going to
Why
America
don't
and this is what your cream soda is?
It's not green soda.
it's not green white, but it's cream soda flavor.
So
So it
don't
tastes
taste
like
it.
in the middle of a Pepsi and a Coke. It's as flat as a Pepsi. And
It tastes like Pepsi with
Pepsi.
candy floss in it.
yeah. So like a float actually. That's
Not
what
bad.
this-
Pepper cream soda. Let's try out the
Yes.
Wonka bar.
Oh,
Straight from the Willy Wonka factory.
pardon me.
Willy Wonka bar.
That is from
Charlie and the
How big
Chocolate.
are
there we
you?
go.
Oh, it's just three long strips.
Yeah. It's
Oh.
fun.
It's like a Kit Kat, just with 3 slats.
Yeah.
And wider.
Wonka
I
bar.
was so wonders.
But Kit Kat is wafer, but okay. We won't leave technical. Oh, I'm making yourself. Can you
Pardon
stop
me?
burping so long? Pardon me.
Okay. Okay, let's try the Wonka bar.
Really sucks.
Take one.
Nice one, right? Had to take the big piece, didn't you?
Cook it.
Chocolate.
Yeah, of course.
Like it?
Yeah.
Nice, eh?
Tastes like Cadbury.
Not at all. It definitely tastes like one of our local chocolates, but I can't tell which one.
You're lying if you say that.
No. But it's really nice
Chocolate.
though. I'm gonna have another piece.
It's very rich though.
Mm.
Y'all
Super
gonna
rich.
have that.
One more?
Maybe after this.
I'm gonna break it for you.
Why must you take the big piece? You're not gonna sleep tonight. I said, why must you take the big piece? You're not gonna sleep tonight. He takes another big piece.
Takes an even bigger piece. Flaming hot Cheetos.
Can you stop burping?
It's so good.
Oh. It's like, damn, you don't even put your hand in front of your mouth, nothing. I'm so excited for this.
Some flaming hot Cheetos. Let's try it out.
Wanna drink something?
Yeah, I don't like
Oh, it smells yummy.
That's nice.
I'm gonna have another one.
Definitely on the spicier side,
So it actually
but
tastes
not
like
unbearable.
my strong that.
Are you still eating the Wonka bar?
Yes.
I like that. I like that.
My palate is not. Can't handle
That's really good.
much spicy, but it is really good. It's like knickknacks.
Let's try this.
If you've tried the
Okay,
flaming
sure,
hot
chocolate
knickknacks, it's like hotter than that. So it's really good, and it's fresh.
This is a hard candy though. We must do this one last.
I actually wanted to try this.
Warheads. Try this one. Wow.
It's not sour.
That's the sour. Well, the one I had was sour.
I thought it's sour.
Mine was not sour at all.
I think I had orange.
You had like a yellow.
Oh,
First is orange.
oh then I had lemon.
Oh, colorblind people.
Yes, yes.
Let me see.
It's weird. Not bad.
So it's 5 fruity flavors. RIP raspberry is the blue one, which isn't even bad.
The blue one was better. Better
Yeah.
than the lemon.
Orange
You guys can make
is orange.
put
Cherry
make
is the red.
space
Cherry
for
one.
me.
Apple, the green. Lemon is the yellow.
Hot
But they
tamales.
will
Fierce cinnamon flavored chewy candies. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be part of the Mike and Ike's brand. It looks exactly the same.
I say
So
smaller
this is
versions,
hot
but
tamales. Tastes exactly like our Fireball jawbreakers.
oh yeah, not a fan.
I like it. Mike and Ike's Red Rages.
Hey,
So it's just a whole bunch of red flavors. Strawberry, raspberry, watermelon, fruit punch and cherry.
Thank you, baby.
this is
So start again.
Mike and Ike's Red Rages.
Did you not try? You have to try one. It's not
It's nice.
sour or
I love
sour.
it.
It's like jelly beans. Me and you like jelly beans, don't we?
mommy, this is the pink one. Like a different kind
Definitely like chewy jelly beans.
So it's either strawberry.
of. Mommy, I like the red one.
I want the red one.
Yeah.
Okay. Now chew that
Yeah.
one and swallow. And then Daddy will give you a red one.
There's two.
Nice one for you. It was stuck.
Thank you, my angel. Want the watermelon?
Sour jacks.
It's too sour.
Watermelon sour wedges.
Probably. Actually, it's in the colors of watermelon.
And it's too sour for me.
It's weird that the watermelon is sour.
It's not. Not that sour.
I like it. Oh, you get other flavors as well. Lemonade, wild berry, and sour green apple.
So, oh, there's taste, but it's not sour. It
That's
is sour,
different.
but
Not bad, but different.
Manhattan sour worms are sour.
Yeah, I told you it's too sour. Let's try like this.
Okay, Starburst. Show them. Show the camera.
Starburst.
Starburst, yeah. Let's try out some strawberries.
Strawberries is kind of nice and coffee.
How do you know? Oh, babe. You have a chocolate moustache. Your moustache has chocolate.
So which one do you want to try?
I'll try the red one.
The red one.
No, not the red one. The red one.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Okay.
Yes.
Come on, Dad.
That's the yellow one. Okay, I'll try out the pink one.
So,
Can you open it?
I don't know how
What do you mean?
to open stuff.
Why are we all... Well, me and Wyatt working so much. No, baby, I'll help you.
Starburst
I'll
fruit
help you.
juice.
Okay, open that stuff.
Mmm.
There you go.
Wow.
Thanks.
I like that. Pink one is amazing.
Everything's amazing for you. Strawberry too.
Okay, we want one. I just look it over.
These sweets are very hard to unwrap. Listeners, there we go.
What? Mommy, where my
This is
cake?
strawberry flavor.
Mommy,
Pass this, is it?
where me? Too much secret.
Yes, you can choose, sweet babe. No one's telling you can't. Oh wow.
You know, in the US they call this red vines.
Red bun.
Red vines, yeah.
This is nice and
So strawberry
strawberry.
Twizzlers.
Strawberry.
I
red
really want to
vines.
take your own one.
Really?
Let's rather just try one. Be honest to your viewers. The taste comes right at the end. Once you swallow.
Mm.
This is the...
Not a fan of this one. It's extremely bland until
The
like the
very-
aftertaste.
It's weirdly hard. And kind of feels like plastic.
Yeah. Has a very weird plasticky taste or texture. Not a big fan of these.
Let's choose this.
Mike and Ike's Jolly Joe.
Yeah.
Jolly Joe's.
The toes. Let's try toes. It's nice and smoothies. Of course, it's try toes.
Okay, there you go.
This one.
Just take one.
This one for mommy.
Thank you. So it's all purple.
One for daddy. One.
But only grape flavor.
Mac and Ike's doesn't disappoint ever.
That's really good.
I think like for it to focus is supposed to be Jan. It's really good. I like the whole. I like grape. So okay.
Okay, so we've got
Blue.
blueberry, wildberry, peach berry, and strawberry.
Strawberry.
Okay, I'm gonna try the blue one.
I will try the orange one.
Orange one?
Guess
Okay,
ladies
I'm
go
gonna try
last year in this family.
blueberry. Mike and Ike's berry blast.
My boy's got no manners. Well, I got the purple, whatever one that is.
Yeah, definitely like the grape more.
Let's start doing tea.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, this is the tea.
Okay. Sit this one out now, Wyatt. It's fine.
We need to get Mike and Ike's manufacturer in South Africa.
So Sour Patch Kids Zombie. Oh, it's like literally two flavors.
Oh, so it's only
The raspberry,
raspberry and orange.
Okay, which one do you want to try?
I think I want to try both at the same time.
Yeah, I will do judge them differently.
Because I have a feeling it needs to be eaten together.
Oh, that is sour.
Very sour.
Sour Patch Kids Zombie. Raspberry and orange flavor.
Forgot the color choice.
Ooh.
While
That
you
is
weren't
sour.
on camera, you literally just like his leg shook.
That one's really nice.
Oh, the orange is way sour than the raspberry one. Ooh,
Let's try it together.
hell no. Jolly Rancher.
Hard candy.
Break out these with this. Oh, please, just. Oh wow! Okay, wasn't expecting that.
Yeah,
Does it say flavors on here?
It says the flavors on the stuff.
Oh,
Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna go for cherry,
mine is
Jolly Rancher hard candy,
blue raspberry. Oh, these are that sticky sweet. Not mad?
I like it.
Me also.
Definitely gonna take some time to get through.
Yeah,
It's
so
hard candy.
we're not.
So as we get through this Jolly Rancher hard candies, which is gonna take a while to finish, it's really one of those sweets you suck on.
But it tastes so nice.
Love it.
Does it make your tongue a different color?
Yeah. Yeah, yours is blue. Okay, so if you had to choose two out of the lot, which two were your favorites?
Oh no. Oh no. Definitely the sweet tart thingy. What is it called? I keep getting it wrong.
Sweet tarts rope.
There we go.
Okay, and another one.
Oh man. The Mike and Ike's.
Which one?
The first one we had. Or the
That
grape.
was the Mega Mix.
Yeah, the Mega Mix probably.
Okay.
Why do I have to choose two?
I'm definitely gonna say the Mike and Ike's Mega Mix was one of my favorites, and the Willy Wonka bar, or Wonka bar, sorry.
Oh, but I really like this Jolly Rancher also.
Yeah,
There's a lot I didn't
it's all
like,
really good.
but there's the ones that you do like are like really good, so it's worth some of the hype. But out of the drinks, did you like it? Rate it out of 10, actually.
I'll say the Calypso's, it's a very weird taste. Not bad, but I'd give it a 6 out of 10.
Never seen this man sugarcoat anything in my life.
And I would give the Dr. Pepper cream soda solid 7 out of 10. It's just because it's different to our cream soda. It tastes like Pepsi mixed with some candy floss.
I'll give this a 2 out of 10.
A 2.
Yes, it's
Okay.
not for the...
But this is only the strawberry flavor. There's
Yeah,
like
I'm
7
sure.
other
I
flavors.
think we should, over time, try
Maybe
all
we'll
of them.
try the other flavors.
This specific flavor, it's not bad, but it's not my favorite. I don't like how sharp the lemon is, even though it is lemonade, I get it, but I don't know, something could have been
Yeah, I
different
think
here. Like Schweppes lemonade, oh, no.
the Mexican candy was definitely weird to me. Just different. Definitely has a Mexican aspect to it. And I think the Takis Fuego hot chili pepper and lime is also quite a different taste compared to
Yeah.
our tortilla chips.
It's not bad,
Not
though.
bad, but just it takes some getting used to for sure.
I think with things, it probably tastes better. It's not a chip you actually just eat on your own, like how you'd eat normal potato chips. It's definitely stuff you mix with or dip, stuff like that. Because it's quite a strong taste, I think.
Yeah. Most of these American snacks or US snacks are imported by local suppliers, which you can purchase them from. I'll leave a couple of links in the description below. We're on the road to 10 million subscribers.
Don't you mean 10?
No, I mean 10 million, not 10. So, subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment down below. Rate everything out of 10.
Okay. Takis, I'll give a solid 6. Whoops.
Well, you're gonna literally rate everything.
Yeah. Swedish fish is good. It's like a 7. Mexican candy is a -2. It's just, I think, if you like that kind of sweet that I described in the beginning of the video, then it's for you. If you don't, it's not for you. All the Mechanites can get a solid 8. Wyatt's, was it right? So is, what's this one called?
Calypsos.
No. This.
Sour Jacks.
There we go. Also normal. This can get a 0 from me. This can get an 8 from me. These are quite nice. An 8. These chips are really good. The flavors there, it's fresh. I really love it. Not gonna lie. I wish we sold bigger packets.
These snacks are quite pricey in South Africa at the moment. That's simply because it's imported from all over the world. Mostly from the US, so import duties and so on really pushes up the price by local stores.
And not just that, I think it's because there's such a high demand with all of us wanting to try American things.
Yeah.
You know, to know what we watch on TV is finally in front of us, that people kind of put a lot of, well, I don't know, charge us more than what they should. Because most of these things, I mean, if you actually go to America or even the UK and stuff, it's like at their dollar store. So, for when it comes down here, we are willing to pay whatever it is to try it out. And sometimes it's worth it. Like you just make it definitely worth it.
Definitely not your everyday snacks.
Yeah.
Just because of the price.
And
But if you can, definitely give it a try. If you want to experience something new. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.